So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. My name is Gregor Winkler. I'm the captain of this flight, and together with my crew, I'd like to welcome you aboard this short flight to Paris. Yeah, we are ready to go within the next few minutes to take you on time to your destination. And as soon as we reach the cruising altitude, we'll be back to you with an update on the flight routing and the latest weather report. So for the time being, enjoy your stay. Thanks for listening.
Kindly ensure that your breakfast is in upright position, the tables folded away and the sunblinds are open. Bitte beachten Sie auch, dass sich alle Lufthansa-Flüge nicht Rauchaufflüge sind und bedanken uns für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.
Jederzeit unerwartet Turbulenzen auftreten können, sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, sobald Sie Ihren Designated Pontier. Please read it carefully. Every passenger is obliged to complete this form. The completed form will be collected by alarming country.
Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, short update here from the flight deck. Presently we're cruising at altitude of 28,000 feet, that equals 8,500 meters. The main flight time will be 30 minutes, and the latest weather report from Paris is clear skies. As you can see out of the windows, temperature 9 degrees centigrade, and sun variables up to 5 kilometers per hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs above you have been switched off. Captain Gregor Winkler and the entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to now. We hope that you enjoyed your stay on board, and it will be a pleasure for us to welcome you aboard again soon.